Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about my experiences as a trader in the stock market. I'm going to be dividing this video up into different sections based on the questions that I've been getting after I became a stock trader. So let's get started. Question number 1. How did I become a stock trader? Well, for those of you who may know me, this question is completely understandable because I study medicine, I like singing, I play some sports, and these have absolutely nothing to do with day trading or even trading stocks in general. So how did it all start? Long story short, it all started with some YouTube videos and some Instagram stories, or more specifically, the ads that would pop up in between them. Programs on forex trading and videos on entering the stock market and these get quick rich schemes would pop up, but initially I would just kind of skip through them or ignore them. But after a while they started to pique my interest, especially after lockdown hit and I didn't really have much to be doing. I thought, why not give it a shot and see what the story is? And that's really how I started developing a passion for trading. After that, I did some research on the stock market to see if it was worth entering, and a few weeks after that I had bought a few stocks in the stock market. Question number 2. Which stock exchange do I trade in, how and why? Well, I mostly trade American stocks, mainly via Nasdaq and the New York Stock Exchange, and the reason I do this is because I believe the American stocks are slightly more volatile compared to their UK counterparts, and this volatility, although it may be slightly riskier, I think there's a higher chance for profit if you follow the trends and are slightly more experienced with the market. And then there's the question of how to trade American stocks. Well, a few of you may know that it's really hard to trade American stocks through a traditional American brokerage unless you are a citizen of America. Now, I did some research on this and I found this online brokerage called First Trade, which is really good, and it's currently the one that I'm using. They are known for their fast executions, which means you can quickly get in and out of the market, and they charge zero commission. Now, I don't mean to promote them in any way or form, but I do think that they're a pretty decent traditional American brokerage, especially when you consider the fact that other brokerages like TD Ameritrade or Robinhood don't let traders from particular countries trade with them, and unfortunately that includes Ireland, where I live. Question number 3. How did you increase your trading knowledge? At that point when I started off trading and I barely even knew any of the basics, the one thing that I did do is I watched a load of YouTube videos on the fundamentals of trading. The 5 main YouTube channels that I followed were Humble Trader, Zip Trader, Warrior Trading, Clay Trader, and Ricky Gutierrez. All 5 of these channels have really insightful videos, and they greatly helped me when I started off trading and learning about the fundamentals in the stock market. After a while, I was able to develop some strategies and incorporate them into my trade plan. Moving on to the final question in this video. Is now a good time to get started with trading? A lot of people need to realize that the stock market is supposed to be a reflection of the current economic state. So if the economy is performing poorly, that should reflect in the stock market. Now, you probably know that this doesn't always happen. There are hedge funds and other huge investors out there that could change the trends in the market to show us a flawed appearance. However, keeping this in mind, one must realize that there isn't really no right time to get started with trading. Instead, if you start trading a bit earlier, you'll be able to take advantage of particular market situations. For example, how do you make a profit when the market crashes, or other such market situations? So there really is no right time to start trading. However, the earlier you start, the more experience you can gain and the more you can learn and take advantage of particular market situations. For example, the current pandemic. This could cause economic instability, which will definitely be reflected in the stock market. I hope you all liked this video. If you have any queries or questions, please put them in the comment box below. And if you liked this video or found anything interesting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more videos which will be coming out soon. Stay home, stay safe, and happy trading.